Human beings are the only species who wake up and say, I must suffer to succeed. That's strange, isn't it? Look at nature, river flows, it doesn't work hard, yet it powers entire cities. An eagle flies, it's not stressed, it's playful. Yet it masters the sky and gets its food. But you sit in the office exhausted saying, I'm grinding. Grinding what? Your life? Your father might tell his son, Son, struggle now, enjoy later, or hustle 24/7 and retire early. Both are postponing life in the name of success. So, if you feel heavy before starting work, or you continuously need to scroll through motivational videos, or you celebrate the weekend like a survival victory, it's not success. When you work hard from emptiness, you only get emptiness. Joy doesn't come. But when you play hard, your energy creates results effortlessly. Work hard comes from lack, play hard comes from fullness. If your work doesn't feel like deep, joyful involvement, you're not building success, you're escaping misery with a salary.